In this video, we'll understand what a child theme is and we'll create a child theme inheriting from Astra. Well, a child theme is essentially a WordPress theme, but it cannot be used in a standalone manner. It inherits the look and feel of the parent theme and all of its functions, but can be used to make modifications to any part of the theme. In this way, customizations are kept separate from the parent theme's files and functions, which lets you upgrade the parent theme without affecting the customizations you've made to your website. So imagine you do not create a child theme and directly activate Astra on your website. You spend days and weeks doing customizations to make your website look and behave the way you want. Now, theme authors are constantly working to improve their themes and adding more functionality. So, when Astra's authors release a new update for Astra, and when you install that update, all of your customizations would be lost. Having a child theme allows the parent theme to be updated without destroying your modifications. I strongly recommend creating a child theme, and there's no reason not to have one. The process of creating a child theme is very simple. Let's get started. First of all, I'll create a folder called Complete WP Mastery. You can name it anything you want. Inside this folder, we'll create a style sheet called style.css. This file will contain all of the CSS rules and declarations that will control the look of your website. Make sure you name this file style.css and nothing else. WordPress requires us to have some header content at the very top of the file. This tells WordPress basic info about the theme, including the fact that it is a child theme with a particular parent. So let me copy and paste the header content into style.css. First of all, what you see is a CSS comment. We have commented out the text using a multi-line comment, so this will not interfere with the CSS rules. This is only meant to give WordPress some information about our theme. Of all these details, only the two are required, and the rest are optional. The required components are theme name and template. Theme name is self-explanatory. Template is the name of the parent theme directory. Let me switch to FileZilla. Themes in our website reside inside the themes directory inside WP content. If you notice, there is a directory named Astra. That's the reason we have specified Astra as the template. All the other information is optional, and I suggest not worrying too much about what you see in this file at the moment. Theme name and template are required components, and you now know how to use them. Technically speaking, the only required child theme file is style.css, but a functions.php file is necessary to enqueue styles correctly. The recommended way of enqueuing the style sheets is to add a WP enqueue scripts action and use WP enqueue style in your child theme's functions.php. Again, I don't want you to be scared of all this. It will start making sense when you feel more and more comfortable with WordPress. For now, just put this inside the functions.php file as it is. Next, we need to install our child theme. For that, we first need to upload the child theme to the themes directory of our website. There are actually two ways of doing it. The first way is to use FileZilla. If you come back to the WP admin panel and visit the themes page, you will see that WordPress has detected our child theme. There is no screenshot of the theme available because we have not specified one. We want to keep things simple and quick at the moment and reserve all the fancy stuff for future videos. Let me delete this child theme from this page. If you refresh the remote side of FileZilla, you will notice that child theme is gone. The second way of uploading the child theme is to create a zip file of the child theme folder. You can now come back to the themes page and click Add New. Choose to upload a theme and then browse the zip file. Then hit Install Now. If you refresh the remote side of FileZilla now, you'll notice the child theme is back. It is very easy to activate the child theme from the themes page. All you need to do is click Activate. So now we have installed and activated Astra the right way. In the next video, we'll install Astra's Pro add-on.